Good morning. It is Monday and Dominic's actually off work today. So he's hanging out with us. Yeah, for once. And we are headed to my friend's dog's birthday party. I know it sounds crazy, but she's one of my best friends. She doesn't have children and her labs are literally her children. So she's having a birthday party at a park and it should be fun. We're taking the whole fam and the dog. Nolly's going too. Hi, say hi, Wyatt. So we are going to the park. A lot of people from my work are going. I think she made some cupcakes and it's just, you know, a reason to get together. It should be fun. So yeah, we're heading there right now. It's about 10:45. It's gonna be a pretty nice day. It's gonna be about 63 degrees. I'm kind of hot right now. I'm wearing a sweatshirt, so it should be a nice day. I think there's a 55% chance of rain, so hopefully it doesn't rain while we're here. But yeah, we're excited. It's just something fun. Get some fresh air. Take the kids to the park. Let Wyatt wear himself out and Ollie. So should be a good day. By the way, I did want to mention that we got a new car. It's actually not really new. It's kind of a funny story.
It's not a car either.
It's not a car, it's a truck. It's an SUV. So when I met Dominic, he had this SUV, and we actually sold it to my dad. How long ago was that? About a year ago?
No, not even a year, about 6 months ago.
No.
Was it a year ago?
It was.
Time flies by.
So
Might have been about a year. It's give or take.
yeah, so we sold the truck to my dad about a year ago, and my dad was gonna sell it to somebody that works with him. That person actually didn't end up buying it. So since we only have one car that we've been sharing, we needed another car. My dad said, well, you can just buy the SUV back for me for what I paid for it. So
at least with this, we know what we have. We know we're not getting some mystery car that you know, we don't know what it's been through. We know exactly what this has been through. Yeah, it's a 2000 and it's a GMC Denali with 160,000 miles on it, but I put a new engine in it. So it's, you know, I mean, I know what's wrong with the car and I know it's quirks, so I'm comfortable
yeah.
with it.
So instead of just buying another car from someone, we don't know that if it's been taken care of, we don't know if it's, you know, going to break down. We just figured we'd buy this back from my dad because we know it's been taken care of. Plus we have a lot of memories.
Oh yeah.
Like I said, when we first met, he had this truck. So we have a lot of memories. We went to like the Red River Gorge in it, and I mean, everywhere really. We've been a lot of places in it. So we've camped out in the back of it. We just, you know, we have a lot of memories in this truck. So we got it back, and now we have two cars. So life's gonna be so much easier now instead of sharing a car. And yeah, we're driving it, and it's fun because we can put the dog in the back. We have our car, and well, she's not there. We can fit the dog in there and both the kids. In our car, we can't really do that, so it's nice to have something spacious. Are you okay, Wyatt? I hear you back there. You keep yawning. Wyatt woke up with a bug bite or something on his face. His cheek's all swollen, and I thought it was like a pimple, but I think he got bit by something. So yeah, we're heading to the park. We're gonna have a good day.
Nolly is wore out. You're done, huh? Dirty. No.
Get your nose out of here. I scared her. He was like, oh, I'm not supposed to be here.
White is right at home here.
What do you want, cheek? I don't know. Come here, look. What do you want? Why? Mimi is Dominic's mom. Oh. One more time.
That's the birthday girl, huh?
Blue. Get down.
Happy birthday!
Maybe we should do it now since she's here. Like, she's ready. Sitting on the bench. She did come over and sit down. She's like, okay, hi. So, she literally sat there.
See?
Wyatt, say happy birthday. Cake for Tiger. You don't see him?
Where did he go?
Right here. He's right here. Oh. Up against the fence.
Your mama got cake for you. It's birthday.
Birthday cake?
Oh my goodness, Tiger.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Tiger. Happy birthday to you. Tiger. Happy birthday, Tiger.
Oh, you're late, Wyatt.
Yay! Give all your dogs a piece.
I don't even know where mine is.
Wyatt, you want a piece of that cake?
Let me give Dro his. I don't have a doggy.
Shadow.
No, no.
Carly, over here.
Your mama's got one.
Oh, Carly, where's not? Come on, come get a treat.
No, she's just checking out that other dog in there.
That's her run.
Somebody wants some cake? You want some cake? No, no. Sit. Sit. Go, sit. 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 There you go. It's a cake for Nana. Bubba.
He's like, but sprinkles.
Apple and peanut butter, a little bit of cinnamon.
Is that good, bud?
Is that yummy?
Is that yummy?
It's your birthday.
Hey, why?
It's dog food.
Hey, why?
Holly got a piece?
Yeah. He's like, all right, just shut up.
This is,
Right,
Wyatt eating it?
yeah. He's like, this is the weirdest birthday cake I've ever had in my life. Did he say yucky?
You like it?
Really?
It's just peanut butter, apple, a little bit of cinnamon, yogurt, vanilla.
It's probably really healthy.
Everything you like.
High in protein.
Sounds like cakes you make for. So pretty. Yes, you are.
Sorry, Jace.
Where's Dad?
He's so funny.
Hey.
You are not allowed to eat.
Hey.
Big and aggressive.
Look at her smiling.
Did you have fun at the dog park?
Yep.
You did? That was fun. You played with all the dogs, huh? We had a good time. It was really cute.
Mama!
Wyatt's just so friendly. It's just so cute. Like, as soon as we got there, one of my friends opened the gate for him, and he ran up to her and said, "Hi, girl," and went and gave her a big hug. He's just so friendly. It's so funny. Sometimes I wonder if he's too friendly, like with strangers and stuff. But,
Mama!
I mean, we just realized...
Mama!
Hold on, I'm talking. As soon as, you know, he's old enough to understand, we just really got to put, you know, teach him about stranger danger. But
No!
he's a friendly little fellow.
No!
Okay, stop. You have a booger. Can I have it?
No!
Okay, I'm going to get your booger.
No!
Okay.
No!
So, yeah, after the dog park, we kind of just hung out all day. There wasn't really much to film. But we had a great time. All my friends that were there, all my girlfriends, we all work together. But they are actually all sick now. They all have some kind of flu or some kind of respiratory something going on. So they need to stay away from me because I do not want it. I can't afford to get sick with 2 babies. Thought I'd check in. We are waiting for Dad to get off work. He's going to stop and get us some Thai food from like a local restaurant that we eat at. It's so good. And Presley is hanging out on her jungle gym. She's only 4.5 months, but she's only 4.5 months. Hi, honey. Gonna be early, you know, mover because she sees Wyatt doing it and she wants to do it too. You see her? She's kicking. She wants to crawl. She wants to get going. Hi, honey.
No! No!
So there's Nolly.
No!
What is wrong with you? Someone did not have a nap today.
I...
Yeah, they're both in their diapers. They're both naked. It's hot in here, and they're happy when they're naked.
No!
Yo.
No!
So, but we do have some big news.
No!
Hey, tell them what happened the other day. Did you pee in the potty? Wait,
Yeah.
stand back because we can't see you. Okay. Did you pee in the potty?
No!
Yes, you did. Wyatt pee-peed in the potty for the first time. He's a big boy. He hasn't done it again since, but he did go a little bit in the potty. That's exciting. So we're really happy. Sorry, this house is kind of a mess. I mean, I have 2 babies. Don't judge. So, yeah, we're just hanging out. We're waiting for Dad down. I'm starving. I cannot wait to eat. Presley, say hi, honey. Say hi. He's so cute. Yeah. She's so happy. She is so happy. Yeah. So is Wyatt, though. Another thing when we were at the dog park, Wyatt, he was so cute because there was probably, God, I don't know, at least a dozen dogs there. And Wyatt was chasing all the dogs saying, wait for me! And just running from him at the park. It was too cute. He's so funny. But we had a good time. Who's home?
Hey!
Finally. He's been gone.
Yeah.
I mean, what time did you leave this morning? 8 o'clock?
Something like that.
8 a.m. and it's now,
Yeah, bud.
it's 7:25 now. So he's home. We're hungry. He brought food. So I got the garlic with chicken. And just some vegetable spring rolls. We were supposed to get some chai teas, but they forgot them, of course. And Dominic got, what'd you get?
The sesame chicken.
Sesame chicken with white rice. We are going to sit down and eat. Here, bud. And tomorrow we have a big day. Where are we going tomorrow, Wyatt? Do you remember where we're going?
Yeah.
Where?
Diamond.
Wyatt refuses to sit in a high chair too now. So we are going to check out a preschool for Wyatt. I am a little sad about it, but I don't know. He's going to be 3 in August, so it's about time that he goes to preschool. It's for the fall, so he probably won't start till September. But yeah, so it's a little saddening. I said tomorrow we got to get up early, and Dominic's actually off work. I do got to work tomorrow night though. And we are going to check out a preschool in our area for Wyatt. When I called them and hung up and I made the appointment, I actually cried a little bit. I don't know if this is all moms, but I mean, the kid's growing so fast. Like, he's going to be 3 and he's going to go to school and be, you know, without his mommy that he's been used to hanging out with every single day of his life. It's a little sad. I don't know. It makes me sad, but I don't know. You're going to Chowtown, bro. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's so funny. Dominic always, me and Dominic always yell at each other and say, hey babe, and just yell out to each other. And so he always says, he calls me babe more than he calls me mom. He calls me babe, which is hilarious. And sometimes he'll say,
Bubble butt.
yeah, like he just said, he says, chill out babe, I guess, because when I'm freaking out and panicking, Dominic says, chill out babe. And so Wyatt tells me to chill out sometimes too.
Chill out, babe.
Chill out, babe.
Chill out, Bubba.
Are you all done?
No.
No? Don't touch anything, because I'm sure your hands are filthy. Well, we just got a bath. Presley just took a bath. And she's happy. She's excited. She's starting to really like the bathtub. I'm going to go try and put her to bed. Dominic's going to put Wyatt to bed. Let's see what Wyatt's up to. Hey, dude. What's up? You having fun in the tub? He's trying to drink his bath water and eat all the bubbles. So, Dominic and I found an old toy of ours. We found an old toy that we had and changed the batteries in it. And Wyatt found it and he loves it. It's a fart machine. He loves it. He thinks it's so funny. Sorry, it's funny. I think Dominic and I are both going to take this to work and play some pranks on people. We might even bring it to the family get-together on Easter and play some pranks. That's what we should do. You know? It'd be funny. Alright, Wyatt. Say goodnight. He just loves this thing so much. It's the thing with kids, they just don't get tired of anything.
Come on, Bobby. Let's go.
Say night-night. Can I have a kiss goodnight? Okay, give it to Mommy. You can play tomorrow. No, we're going to put it up.
Come on, it's time to go, bud. Let's do this. Let's do this.
You can play
Be
tomorrow.
brave, Be brave.
You can play tomorrow.
Be brave. Be brave.
Good night-night. I love you.
Say night, Mama. Good night, Mama.
Try not to wake your sister up. You're alright. I'll see you in the morning. Love you.
Horror things.
Good night, guys.